Hello guys, I'm here with the K70 RGB Corsair Gaming keyboard. I'm just here to open it for you. Here I've got the Cherry MX brown keys, so I'll be showing you that also. So I'll just open it up for you. It's a very good box. It's got a very glossy feel, like the gaming mouse. So as you can see here, with the cable, there's in fact two USBs that come with it, because one is for the keyboard to work itself, and the other is for it to light up, basically. So if you don't want to use it, you just want it to look nice, then that's the one you want to use. The one complaint I have about this cable is that it's thick and gets in the way, and it does tend to curl up a lot. Another thing you may notice is that I've got the old Corsair logo, which is very rare to get, very difficult, because they now have a new logo which nobody tends to like anymore. Very good keyboard. There's a BIOS options in the back here, which basically allows you to use it in the BIOS, because it's a very up-to-date keyboard. As you can, there's a volume scroller here. There's a lock Windows key here, which basically allows you to lock this key here, which is the Windows key. If you're playing games, you don't want it to interrupt your gaming. It's very good. This one allows you to change the brightness of the keys. If I just show you here, you can take the keys off quite easily. And they've actually added this new way of adding LEDs, and that's actually under the key itself, instead of having the LEDs above, which they had an issue with that before, as they broke quite easily, and these tend not to break. I have the MX Cherry Browns, which I like more, but you can either go for the blue, red or browns, depending on what you like. Very high up keys. Also comes up with this palm rest here. It goes in quite easily. I'm not going to show you, but it does go in quite simply. I know that they can be quite flimsy sometimes. What's also really unique about this keyboard is it has 4 stances, so you can kind of customize the way you like it on your desk. You can have it all up like that, so it's quite high up. You can have it so that it's high up at the front, and then low down at the back, and then vice versa, like that. Alright, so I'm just going to plug it in for you so I can show you the LEDs. I'm going to be trying it on a Mac. I don't know if it's Mac compatible, but I guess we're going to find out. I'll just turn the lights off for you. As you can see right now, it's red and white, but there is software you can actually change the colour of it.
It's quite pink, actually.
Okay, but obviously that's just the standard colours that it comes with. You can change it to whatever colours you like within the software.
Show us your phone. Could match your phone.
There's a pink phone to show the difference, because apparently the keys are pink.
It looks pink to me, yeah.
Okay, well, there's another complaint for it.
How do you change the colours then?
You have to download the software, which is people are complaining about mostly.
Okay.
With the software.
So different level of brightnesses.
Yeah. With the software, it can be very confusing, and I believe it's 270-page manual, which can be a bit annoying, and that's probably the most complaints about this keyboard is due to the software itself. I'll just test it on the Mac a moment to see if it works on the Mac. yeah, it works fine on the Mac. Doesn't seem to be working anymore though. I mean, it does work on the Mac. I wouldn't use it for a Mac because you shouldn't really be using a Mac for gaming anyway.
Says you.
I don't use my Mac for gaming. But yeah, I think the main reason I like this one compared to the other ones is the Corsair logo. I highly recommend this keyboard. It feels good. It's aluminium base. Highly recommend it if you have a high price tag and you're willing to spend that amount of money on a keyboard. I would go for this one instead of the Razer keyboard, purely to the fact of its quality, very good quality, and also the Razer one doesn't really last very well. But yeah, thank you very much, and if you have any questions, then I'll be answering them below.